Today's video is all about 4 building blocks of change by McKinsey. Enjoy. Change starts at the top. According to McKinsey's 4 building blocks of change, role modeling is the first component of sustainable change. Leaders need to model the behaviors they want to see in their teams, otherwise it will not work. Think of it as a demonstration rather than a directive. Role modeling fosters trust and credibility, whether it's encouraging open communication or embracing innovation. What actions will you take to influence change? Why should your team change? Building understanding and conviction is the second of McKinsey's 4 building blocks of change. People are more likely to embrace change when they fully understand its purpose. Leaders must clearly articulate the reason for the change and ensure that it's aligned with the team's values. Paint a big picture and make the future exciting. What is your strategy for building belief in change? Change requires skills. McKinsey's 4 building blocks of transformation include developing talent and capabilities, with a focus on equipping teams and success. Whether through training programs, coaching, or on-the-job learning, developing new skills drives long-term progress. Remember that developing capabilities is more than ticking a box. It is about enabling individuals to thrive in new ways. What skills are you developing for your team? Sustainable change requires reinforcement. And that's why the 4th building block of McKinsey's 4 building blocks of change is a change in processes. This involves changing processes, structures, and systems in order to align with the desired behavior. For example, if collaboration is desired, then recognition systems should be involved, a way for people to give feedback to their collaborators. Formal processes ensure that changes stick. What systems are you developing in your team to make your changes stick?